Ever pondered the logistics of washing dishes in the great outdoors without the convenience of a sink? As it turns out, it's simpler than you might think. All it requires is some basic supplies, a little ingenuity, and a commitment to responsible outdoor practices. The first step is to gather your supplies. Once your meal is over, grab your biodegradable soap and trusty washing rag. Using camping-friendly soap like McNett Smart Suds ensures your dishwashing doesn't harm the environment. Next, choose your container and water source. Pick your largest pot and fill it up. If it's winter and snow is abundant, use this to your advantage and melt some for your water source. To prevent scorching and speed up melting, add a dash of liquid from your water bottle to the snow. The third step is to heat the water. Place your pot on the camping stove and heat until boiling. If you're melting snow, the added liquid will help speed up this process. Make sure the water is hot enough to clean your dishes effectively, but let it cool slightly to avoid scalding your hands. Now it's time to divide and conquer. Split the heated water between two pans, adding a touch of your biodegradable soap to one of them. Allow the soapy water to cool until it's comfortable to touch. This gives you a wash basin and a rinse basin, making your dishwashing process both efficient and thorough. With your basins ready, you can now wash and rinse. Scrub each dish in the soapy water, making sure to remove all food residue. Then rinse the clean dish in the second pan of clean water. This two-step process ensures your dishes are sparkling clean and free from soap residue. Lastly, make sure you dispose of everything responsibly. Strain out any food particles from your water and put them in your trash bag. Scatter the used water at least 200 feet from streams or other water sources, always adhering to leave no trace principles. In conclusion, washing dishes in the great outdoors without a sink doesn't have to be a daunting task. With a bit of preparation and respect for the environment, you can keep your campsite clean and pristine. So here's to happy camping and responsible dishwashing.